Hello, good afternoon everyone, and welcome to Luciano's Resin Art. This is my latest project. It's a wall clock using geode art. I went for a marine theme and combined with an earth theme. So basically, the bottom part represents a river flowing, and the upper part earth. I used some gold sprinkles here, and also most of the colors are mica, including the numbers are all handmade, and it's not yet finished. I'm still working on it. I still have to add a few details, and I have to wait at least 4 or 5 days to cure completely so I can demold and add the clock mechanism. Overall, I'm happy of how it end up, and then as soon as I have all the details in, I will post it on all the social medias, and I just hope you all like it too.